Hello everyone, this question appears in class 8th NCERT chapter of linear equation in one variable. This is fourth question of its exercise 2.2. So the question says that sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other number by 15, find the number. So let the first number be x. So second number is x plus 15. So हमें given है sum of two numbers is 95. So x plus 15 is equal to 95. So 2x plus 15 is equal to 95. So 2x is equal to 15 को इधर शिफ्ट कर देंगे 95 minus 15. So x is equal to 80 by 2 is equal to 40. So first number हो जाएगा x is equal to 40. Then second number is equal to x plus 15 is equal to 40 plus 15 is equal to 55. Thank you.